Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about CSIR Net Mathematical Science Syllabus. So here the total syllabus is divided into 4 units. In Unit 1, we have real analysis and linear algebra part. So maybe 10 chapters, namely first one set theory and real number system, second chapter sequence and series, third chapter limit, continuity, differentiability and mean value theorems, fourth chapter functions of several variables, fifth chapter the Riemann integral and improper integrals, sixth chapter uniform convergence of sequence and series of functions, seventh chapter functions of bounded variation, Lebesgue measure and metric space, eighth chapter matrices and vector space, ninth chapter linear transformations, and 10th chapter quadratic forms and inner product space. And coming to unit 2, uh, unit 2 is complex analysis and group theory topology. So 11th chapter is complex numbers and analytic functions, 12th chapter complex integration and calculus of radius, 13th chapter conformal mappings, 14th chapter combinatorics, 15th chapter group theory, 16th chapter ring theory, 17th chapter topology. And coming to unit 3, it is differential equations, numerical analysis and calculation of variations, classical mechanics. So 18th chapter is differential equations, 19th chapter numerical analysis, 20th chapter calculus of variations and linear integral equations, 21st chapter classical mechanics. So here, and last unit 4 is, this is optional for mathematical students. So this is completely probability and statistics. So unit 4 is 3 chapters, 22, chapter number 22, descriptive statistics and theory of probability, 23rd chapter statistical inference and Gauss-Markov model, and last 24th chapter linear programming and queuing theory. So unit 4 is we can omit unit 4. So first we will discuss about first 3 units. So first unit is very important. So from the section B, we are getting 12 marks from real analysis and linear algebra. So 12 questions coming from section B, and each carry 3 marks. And from section C, that is 4.75 marks for each questions. So total number of questions from unit 1 is 18 questions. Every year we are getting 12 questions from section B and 18 questions from section C. And similarly, coming to unit 2, that is complex analysis, group theory, ring theory and topology. So for section B, we have 8 questions. Every year we are getting 8 questions for 3 marks questions, and 12 questions from section C. And coming to the unit 3, that is differential equations, numerical analysis, calculus of variations and linear integral equations, classical mechanics. So from part B, that is section means part B, we are getting 8 questions, that is for 3 marks, each carry 3 marks, and 12 questions from section C, that is part C. So each carry 7.35 marks. So every year the question paper pattern will be different. Sometimes we are getting more number of questions from unit 1 and unit 2. So here we are discussing about question paper distribution of part B and part C. So this is exam pattern. I gathered previous paper distribution of questions from part B and part C. So unit 1, part B, that is 3 marks questions. So question number 21 to question number 32, that is total 12 questions, that is from unit 1. Similarly, unit 2, that is question number 33 to question number 40, so total 8 questions. And coming to unit 3, question number 41 to question number 48, that is also total 8 questions. So here we can omit unit 4 because that is probability and statistics. So mathematical students can omit that unit 4. So we will concentrate only unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. So for if we include unit 4, we will get 12 questions from part B. So the total number of questions from part B is 40 questions. So that is total we have to answer. Out of 40 questions we have to answer maximum 25 questions and each carry 3 marks. So the total number of marks awarded for part B is 75 marks. Now coming to part C. Part C, each question carry, and remember that in part B we have negative marking. So here 0.75 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. For this is only for part B. So now coming to part C, so it may be contain one or more options. We have to choose every correct option, then only we will get marks for that question. So here the marks awarded for each question is 4.75 marks. So that is in unit 1 we will get question number 61 to question number 78, that is from real analysis and linear algebra. So total questions are 18 questions that comes under unit 1. And unit 2 question number 79 to question number 90. So total number of questions are 12 questions. This is from complex analysis, ring theory, group theory and topology. And coming to unit 3, question number 91 to question number 102. So here also we will get 12 questions from unit 3, that is differential equations, numerical analysis and calculus of variations, linear integral equations and classical mechanics. So unit 4 is probability and statistics. The total number of questions is 60 questions. So from part C, out of 60 questions we have to answer maximum 20 questions. Here each question carry 4.75 marks. So the total marks awarded for part C is 95 marks. So here I gathered some important reference books for CSIR net. So for real analysis, mathematical analysis by S.C. Malik and Savita Arora, and second book is mathematical analysis by Shyam Sundar, and third one real analysis by Bartley. So these three books are very useful to the students. And coming to complex analysis, so first reference book is Complex Variables Theory and Applications by H.S. Kasana. This is very useful book. And second one is Foundations of Complex Analysis by Punaswamy. And third one is Complex Variables by Shyam series. So this is Shyam series book is very useful. And coming to algebra part, so algebra first reference book is Contemporary Algebra by Gilani, and second one Abstract Algebra by Vijay Kumar, and another book is that is Topics in Basic Algebra by Topics in Algebra, and Basic Abstract Algebra by Jain and Bhattacharya. And coming to linear algebra, first book is Shyam series, and second one Matrices by Krishna Publications. So these are all some important books which will very useful to CSIR net exam, mathematical science. Okay, thanks for watching.